day 11. Let's get this right. Let's pull the bag out. Now, I think it's a flatter one. Yep, it was down the side, day 11. Let's open this up. It's very exciting. It is like having an advent calendar for me. And here we go. This is the last of the leaf colours. And there's the wool that goes with it. So a nice easy day for you. And as I said, you don't have to rush. You don't have to do these all straight away. They do take a little bit of time. Just enjoy the process and you can get all your leaves out of it. Use your template. But I love all the colours of the felt together. I think the 3 colours and the different wools look really good on the wreath. So there we go. Day 11. See you tomorrow.